Last two questions. Who are your top five car channels that you feel are the best, and what is the plans for your channel going forward in car content, or what kind of way do you want to work your channel in?
So the top car channels that I definitely like is Tall Guy. I definitely respect Tall Guy. Like I said, I like Tall Guy's content. I don't have any personal beef or anything like that with him.
Yeah,
I think he's still a solid guy. You know what I mean? Tall Guy. I like TJ Millionaire. I like that he has cars, but he also has a business side of it. And I listen and I try to follow some of his teachings and stuff like that. Um, there's another YouTuber. His name is Stang Mode. I don't know if you've ever heard of him.
no,
I think he's sitting around 150 some thousand subscribers. But he's a Mustang channel and he's a Ford guy and um he's always at the drag strip with his Mustang. I really love the modifications that he does and I just like his content. Um Another one is I don't know if you've ever heard of Life of Corey.
yes, I've heard them. Oh, obviously, I've only heard them because of organic. So,
Right, right.
so
So I like Life of Corey too. He's a pretty cool guy. I like his you like I said, he has a southern expression in how he customizes his cars.
yeah,
And like I said, I'm from the south, southeastern part of the United States, so I relate to that type of content. Um and lastly, I like SRT Bree. I like
okay,
I like how she is kind of like the underdog in the situation because you don't not to be sexist or anything, but you don't usually see a lot of women
yeah,
on YouTube doing car videos.
yeah, yeah,
So I like how she kind of it breaks that narrative, and she's driving a nice, she drives the Hellcat. She does burnouts. She goes to meets, and I think she races a little bit too. So I like how she breaks the narrative, and I liked how she exponentially blew up her channel in literally 2 months. She went from
yeah.
like 50,000 subscribers to like I think over 100,000 in a month or two. So I salute to her. So
That's great. Yeah,
um
that's definitely. And what's your channel like? What's your plans going forward, or what you have in pipe works?
so the pipe works for right now it's just kind of learning the YouTube game. Like you said in the beginning, YouTube is so hard to understand. So learning the YouTube game and being more consistent, I think that was one of the biggest things that I had is I didn't understand that, I didn't really correlate that consistency brings views and attention. And so that's one thing I'm really focusing on. But overall, once I reach, my ideal goal of where I'll start to be, more happy with the subscribers that I have, I think once after about 50 to 100,000 subscribers, I think I'll start, branching off my channel and like I'm naturally like a leader and like a teacher and provider in a sense. So like I love providing content that people can never forget.
Yeah,
Giving them lessons that they can never forget. And once I get, big enough on my platform, I don't plan on posting every day. I plan on posting maybe 2, 3 times a week so that my content is more valuable.
yeah,
You know
yeah.
what I mean? Let's say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, people are looking for Life of Hemi E to post his content. Will I strictly do car content? No. Like I said, because I have other passions in life, and I think I have a good enough character and personality to where people will gravitate uh to me regardless of kind of what I put
Yeah.
out. But I will always still put out car content because that's where my channel was based off of. I still love cars to death. One of my favorite things to do is, to go to my brother's room and we talk about cars for hours. What we
Yeah.
would do with this car, what modifications. So what I'll do with my channel is, I'll post car content, but then I'll also post a mixture of other things that intrigue me and I think will intrigue other people. And another thing that I want to do is when I get bigger and I, manifesting the power when I get bigger is giving back. I think that's one thing a lot of YouTubers forget to do is give back to
Yeah.
those who give you everything that you literally have.
Yeah.
So one thing I want to do is I want to definitely do like scholarship giveaways to students in need, giving back to communities, food banks, anything that really just shows my appreciation and my gratitude for people that support me.
Brilliant.
So
Excellent. Excellent.